Hey, you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Yes, you right there. Are you a new investor, perhaps an amateur investor who is still searching for the best brokers online for year 2021? Look no further, my friend. I did the research for you, so you don't have to. Hi, everyone. I'm Gav. This is my personal finance and investing channel. Just a full disclosure, though, and a disclaimer I'm not a professional. I create these videos for educational purposes only. I implore you to look for professional investing advice for your investing requirements. My main goal for this channel is to communicate my investing failures so you don't have to commit the same mistakes that I did in the past, and most importantly, hopefully help you build your wealth for yourself, family, and your future. I started my personal investing and personal finance journey back in the year 2017. At the time, I opened my first Roth IRA account through Vanguard by investing in index funds. It was VTSAX to be specific. Fast forward to today, I have diversified my investment portfolio through different brokers online for safety and protection of my assets. I now have M1 and Fidelity as well. So in today's video, I'll share some important information when it comes to best brokers online for year 2021. Before we proceed, bonus tip at the end of the video. Before we begin, if you want a simple investing tip that could potentially help you jumpstart your 2021 investing goals, stay at the end of the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel and drop that like. All right, let's start. Okay, so you want to jumpstart your investing goals for year 2021, but you feel like investing is so overwhelming and boring, is so complex. Well, let me tell you, that is absolutely true. But my goal is to help you start investing and treating investing as fun and addicting. It's actually fun, and if you're still hesitant, just remember to KISS. That is, keep it simple, stupid. That's the abbreviation I try to remind myself when it comes to investing. I learned that when I was trying to memorize terms for my private pilot license training. Okay, so let's start. The best brokers online for year 2021 are the following: Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab's E-Trade, M1 Finance, and TD Ameritrade. Each broker has their own strengths and weaknesses. So now that you have an idea where to invest your money, you need to know the pros and cons of investing in each of the brokers. Since this topic is going to be exhaustive, I provided the cheat sheet for you down in the description, and you can check that out. As our compensation, though, all I'm asking is to subscribe to the channel, and drop that like button. I'll be posting more about the strengths and weaknesses of each brokers in the future. So if you're asking my best recommendation, well, that's for you guys. That's for you to decide. Go with the best broker you will use and keep for long term. We're talking about 10 years here and plus. I personally use M1, Vanguard, and Fidelity, and I can vouch for these brokers. Okay, now that we're at the end of the video, did this video help? Did the cheat sheet help you out at all and alleviate the stress of investing? I hope so. I implore you to start investing, and remember to keep it KISS when it comes to investing, and do your own diligence and research before investing your hard-earned money. So for the next video, I'll go more in depth in Vanguard and discuss the best index funds for year 2021 and beyond. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gav. Please consider subscribing and be nice and drop that like button. I'll see you guys in the next video.